Hello everyone, I want to welcome you back to my channel. So today we are going to be making us a beef pot roast in a crock pot. So before we get into our dish today, I really want to thank everybody for helping to support the channel. For all my regular viewers, I want to say thank you. And to the new viewers, I want to say welcome. And remember to hit that like, share, and subscribe button. So now that we've got that out of the way, let's go ahead and get everything together for our beef pot roast in a crock pot. So you're going to need a beef roast, beef broth, oil, salt, pepper, carrots, potatoes, celery, and brown gravy mix. So the first thing that we need to do to our roast is we need to season it with some salt and pepper. So I've got me some kosher salt, and I'm going to sprinkle this on my roast. And we want to make sure we put a lot of salt and pepper on this. And I'm using a coarse ground pepper. And what we're going to do is we're going to press this in once we get this seasoned up. And we're going to continue doing this to all sides. So we've got us some oil in a skillet that's been heating up over a medium-high heat. For some reason, I just can't speak today. So to this, we are going to add our beef roast. And we are going to cook this about 3 to 5 minutes per side to get a nice solid sear on our roast. So we have our roast that's been seared on all sides. So we are going to add this into our crock pot along with any drippings. Then we're going to add in our diced or chopped carrots, potatoes, and celery. And then we are going to add in about a cup of beef broth. And so now we are going to throw a lid on this, set it on high for 2 to 4 hours, or you can set it on low for 4 to 6 hours. And then once the beef is tender, we're going to end up adding our gravy. So our roast has been going just a little over 4 hours. And as we can see, it is nice and tender. All right, so now we're going to add in our brown gravy mix. And I've taken it and mixed my 2 packages in with a cup of gravy. I'm sorry, beef broth. Now we can give this a quick stir and then push this down in. And we're going to let this go for about another 30 minutes. Okay, so this has been going an additional 30 minutes. Oh yeah, look at it, just falling apart. All right, so we're going to get us a couple of pieces, and we're going to have this with some mashed potatoes. Come on, give me a big piece. There we go. Now we're going to get some of this gravy and vegetables. Now, if you want more gravy, you can just add a little bit more beef stock to it. I might need some carrots. And here we go. So now that we've got everything all plated up, we're going to give this a good try. Carrots are nice and tender. Oh yeah. That's really, really good. So please give this recipe a try. Not a lot of effort needs to be put into it. All goes in the crock pot with very little cleanup. So I hope you enjoy the video. And for all my regular viewers, I want to say thank you for coming to the channel, seeing all my videos. For my new viewers, remember to hit that like, share, and subscribe button, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Hope you have a good day. Hope you have a great week. And so I'm going to finish up my pot roast. So enjoy.